Let's know how to use the PID-DT block through the Saksham library. First, drag the box from the toolbox, click on Input Assistant button, browse the library and select PID-DT to use it. Name the block as here it's PID-DT. Now drag an input pin and connect to input and browse the input pin from the rack. And drag the output pin and connect to output. Browse the output pin from the rack. Generate code. Click on Login and run the block successfully. And after then, save the project